Yeah, I'm out here at this I think it's an elephant place. I'm not really sure. Cause we were just walking around and then the guy in the songtail, he came up and said we want to take a tour, like go to a tour and stuff. And he told us how much it is. So we was like, all right, let's just go. We didn't have nothing else to do. Oh shoot! Look at that. His hair. I mean, that's an elephant. But look. Oh, okay. Oh, that's too close. Hold on. Yeah, check out his hair though. Yeah, he's rocking out. No. That Yeah, we see. We'll see what's going on. Just gonna walk around here just to see. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay here because there's a lot of tourists here. I just got caught up in the moment and just like, hey, let's go. Yeah, there's a lot of tourists here. I usually go to. I like those places, like just in a dark alley somewhere, some bar, red light district, just stuff like that. But, so this is where you buy the ticket. Tickets are not refundable. Yeah, I can read. Buy tickets here. Oh, ticket. So I can't read.